Hello guys, welcome to All Tech YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can give access to anyone, either your friend or your employee or your colleague, to in your Squarespace website. In short, I mean to say that you can give access to your employee or anyone for using your websites on your behalf. But for giving access to anyone, you can also check that how much authority you are going to give to anyone to manage your website and to check the operation and manage all the operations. So it is quite super easy to give access in Squarespace website. So here we go. So thanks for watching my video. Share it with your friends, and I hope you will like my video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. So I will meet you in the next video.